Do you ever feel like you're one magic number away from hitting the jackpot? Well, you might be. Today, we're diving into Nostradamus' legendary prophecies to uncover 6 secret numbers that could supercharge your 2024 with wealth, success, and maybe even a first-class trip to Bora Bora. Who's Nostradamus, you ask? Oh, just a 16th century genius who predicted some of history's biggest events. Wars? Check. Natural disasters? Check. Your ex texting you at midnight? Okay, maybe not that one, but close. Let's see if he also dropped some cosmic breadcrumbs to help you win at life. Nostradamus was like the TikTok influencer of his time, but instead of dance trends, he dropped cryptic predictions in poetic riddles called quatrains. These quatrains have baffled scholars for centuries, and some people think they hold hidden codes about wealth and success. He wasn't just some random guy scribbling nonsense, though. He studied astronomy, medicine, and the stars. Think of him as a mix of Albert Einstein, a horoscope app, and a fortune cookie, all rolled into one. Okay, let's talk numbers. Why numbers? Because they're everywhere, from ancient texts to modern science. Numbers have been used to predict everything from the stock market to the best day to ask for a raise. Nostradamus believed that certain numbers carried vibrational energy, like the cheat codes of the universe. Pair his wisdom with numerology, and we can uncover patterns that might just unlock prosperity. The 6 wealth codes decoded. Let's start with the heavy hitter, 7. Nostradamus called it the number of divine perfection. It's been considered lucky for centuries. Why? There are 7 days in a week, 7 wonders of the world, and even 7 colors in the rainbow. Nostradamus wrote about cycles of life, and 7 is a complete cycle in many cultures. Use this number when setting goals, like saving $7,000 or spending 7 minutes each day visualizing success. Trust me, 7 might just be your new best friend. Next up, 8. Turn it sideways, and what do you see? Infinity. Nostradamus saw this as a symbol of endless possibilities and financial flow. Here's why it's powerful. 8 is all about abundance. Think of it as the number that says, there's enough for everyone. In numerology, it represents balance between the material and spiritual world. So, if you're launching a business or planning an investment, let the number 8 inspire your strategy. Now, let's talk about 3. Nostradamus loved the idea of 3s. And who doesn't? It's like the holy trinity of numbers. Here's where it shows up. Past, present, future. Birth, life, death. Or my favorite, coffee, snacks, and Netflix. Use 3 as your guiding principle for balance. Want to save more money? Set 3 financial goals. 1 for saving, 1 for spending wisely, and 1 for growing your income. It's that simple. 11 is what numerologists call a master number. Nostradamus described it as a gateway to intuition and enlightenment. Why it matters? Seeing 1111 on the clock is like the universe sending you a high five. It's the number of synchronicity, reminding you to trust your gut. In 2024, focus on your intuition. If you've got a hunch about a business deal or a career move, trust it. 11's got your back. 22 is where the magic of manifestation meets hard work. Nostradamus called it the architect's number, the one that builds dreams into reality. What makes it special? It's about creating lasting wealth, not just short-term wins. In numerology, 22 represents visionaries who take big ideas and make them happen. If you're planning to invest or build something in 2024, keep 22 in mind. Maybe invest $2,200 or set a 22-month plan for your goals. And finally, the number 5. Nostradamus saw 5 as the number of change and adventure. Here's why it's important. 5 is about taking calculated risks. It encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and try new opportunities. So, if you've been thinking about starting that side hustle or investing in stocks, 5 is a reminder to go for it, but wisely, okay? So, how do you use these numbers? Here's a quick plan. 1. Set financial goals using these numbers. For example, save $7,000, invest $8,000, or take 5 calculated risks. 2. Incorporate them into daily life. Choose these numbers for your alarm clock, meeting times, or even lucky charms. 3. Visualize success. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on these numbers and imagining your wealth growing. Remember, these numbers aren't magic wands. They're more like tools to guide your mindset and actions. There you have it, 6 wealth codes inspired by Nostradamus himself. Now, will these numbers make you a millionaire overnight? Probably not. But will they help you focus, take action, and bring some cosmic good vibes into your life? Absolutely. Remember, success is part mindset, part action, and part trusting that the universe is rooting for you. So go out there, channel these numbers, and make 2024 your year of abundance. And hey, if this video brought you even a sprinkle of good luck, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little extra wealth magic. You might just be their Nostradamus. Subscribe for more cosmic wisdom and financial fun. See you in the next adventure.